Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Illustrator, and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. The reason why we're here today, guys, is because what I want to do is show you how to create a strand sphere in Adobe Illustrator. Trust me when I say it's a very simple process that you need to follow, but it's a great effect that you can apply for any types of graphic design patterns all the way to logos. Question should be is how do we do it? And obviously, guys, that's what I'm here to do today, guys, is show you the process of how to create a strand sphere. Okay, so all we need to do now is start from scratch. So what we need to do is get our rectangle tool here. I'm just going to create a nice rectangle like so. Just going to put a solid color in there for the minute. Maybe just resize this a little bit. Okay, wonderful. Now with that selected, I'm going to use the shortcut Option on Mac or Alt on Windows to duplicate whilst pressing Shift as well. And then the shortcut Command D on Mac or Control D on Windows to continue that repeating. What you need to be doing is repeating it to get 6 individual rectangles. I'm going to select everything like so. And now what we need to do is save this as a symbol. So I'm going to open up my symbols window. I'm just going to click and drag our symbol in there. We'll call this the strand symbol. Okay, wonderful. And now I'm just going to delete that by pressing backspace. Now what I'm going to come through now is to create my ellipse. So I'm going to use a shortcut Option on Mac or Alt on Windows to resize from the center point and press Shift also at the same time. I need to create a half a sphere. So I'm just going to create a nice rectangle on top here. Like so, select the both of them with my selection tool and then come to my shape builder. And I would like to remove, so you must press Option on Mac or Alt on Windows to remove as well, like so. I'm going to put this at color white. And with that selected, I'm now going to come to Effects, 3D and Materials. Now, I'm not going to use the modern tools for this particular effect. We're going to come and use 3D Classic, and we're going to use Revolve. Now, what we need to do is set these axes to certain points here. So I'm going to come through. This one should be -7. This one should be 6. And this one should be 9. And then what I'm going to do is come to Map Art. We're going to apply our symbol here, like so. And what I'm going to do now is just come to scale to fit, just so it fits the whole sphere. And I'm just going to come through and just give it a little bit of a rotation, like so. Like so. Okay. Maybe a little bit more rotation there. Let's press OK. Wonderful. And we're going to press OK. Now, we've created our strand sphere, but we need to do a couple more steps. So with this selected, I'm going to go to Object and expand the appearance. And then what I'm going to do is go right-click, ungroup, right-click, ungroup again, and right-click, release the clipping mask. Now I can take my strands away here. Let's select everything there and let's press backspace and remove. Wonderful. Now, the final step, guys, that I would highly recommend you to do to these shapes is apply a gradient. So with that selected, just going to come to our gradient option here and apply a nice gradient like so. And there you have it, guys. That's how you create a strand sphere in Adobe Illustrator. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, as well, guys, there are recordings that are coming out on a weekly basis, so please make sure you take a look. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.